Let's take a look at some 6th grade math PSSA problems. This is a problem that would show up on a no calculator section of the 6th grade math PSSA. We are being asked to divide 4 over 5 divided by 2/3. Now we're going to use keep, change, flip. So let's keep 4 over 5. Let's change divided by to times, and let's flip 2 over 3 to 3 over 2. Now, when you multiply fractions, you multiply across the numerator, so 4 times 3 is 12, and you multiply across the denominator, so 5 times 2 is 10. Now, before you just look for your answer, two things are going to happen. Thing number one, this fraction simplifies, so 12 and 10 are both even, which means I can divide them both by 2. So let me simplify both of these numbers by dividing them both by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now, this is an improper fraction, which means I can turn it into a mixed number. So the way you turn an improper fraction into a mixed number is you come over here and do some division and find out how many times 5 goes into 6. Well, 5 goes into 6 one time. Multiply 1 to 5 to get 5. Subtract 6 minus 5, you get 1. And so this gives us a remainder of 1. Now, the way we turn this into a fraction is the one that we get here is going to be our whole number sitting out front. The remainder of 1 is going to be our numerator, and 5 is still going to be our denominator. So, at the end of all of this, we end up with 1 and 1/5, so C is your answer.